welcome back. It's me again, ready to eat for you guys. Today I have king crab, my first time trying it, first genuine reaction on the camera. I have some boiled eggs, jumbo shrimp, baby potatoes, of course. I forgot corn. I was so mad when I left the store. I walked over there just for corn and onions, and I didn't bring corn back, so that's that. I have Alfredo sauce to dip the king crab in because everybody's doing that, so I thought that I would try it. And I got some cucumber, of course, because I love it. So first thing I'm going to try is this king crab right here because I've been wanting to try it. It says easy to get into, but let's see where this meat is. All right, let's try this out. Dang. That's good. I'm gonna try one of these shrimps. I've always had my shrimps like de-shelled, spoiled, right? But I never had them like this. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's see that. Okay, I'm gonna dip it. And this is BLoves sauce, by the way. Like her seafood sauce. I'm gonna have some egg. It's a boiled egg, like, what do you expect, really? I didn't wear lipstick this time, and I got a towel to wipe my face off with. I got some Mountain Dew to drink because it's the best. So yeah, I haven't really done a mukbang in a while. It's been like over a week. It's because I've been busy and stuff like that. So I didn't really have the time to do it. Okay, oh, look at this piece. These aren't nearly as big as the ones like that I watch when I watch mukbangs. But that's all they had. So I had to do with what I got. They are really good though, holy sh. And try, I got the like rainbow potatoes. They look dope. So, BLoves sauce that I'm trying. I didn't make it too spicy because I didn't want to like be all spiced out for the video. I mean, I like spicy food, but lately it's been iffy. So So I didn't really do anything that exciting lately. Besides hanging out with friends and stuff the other night. You know, just working, chilling, hanging with my cats, you know, normal stuff. It's a crab leg. No, but I gotta say, crab is really good, but the price, for this, like, what is it, like 4 tiny pieces, is like on sale for $25. Yeah, pretty messed up. Oh well. A lot of people get their king crab from Costco, but I never go to Costco anymore because they're really rude there. So probably could have gotten a better deal there. I love these shrimp, like big colossal shrimp. If you guys have any suggestions of stuff that you'd like to watch me eat, tell me below. Not many people commented or anything just because I'm just starting, but feel free to tell me what you want me to eat next. I love Alfredo sauce, like, I gave all of my cats soft cat food and brought them into the other room so they could leave me alone for my mukbang. I can't believe summer is almost over. Like, I didn't even get to do any summer things. Like, hardly. Like, I went to the zoo and stuff, which I told you about before, but didn't really get to do much else. She's a messy one today. I'm still trying to figure out, like, they are easy to open. Like, the package was not wrong, but they're sharp. Very sharp. Like the little spikes on them. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really hardcore. Yeah, corn would have been really good with this. Like, seafood, yes, yum, but corn on the cob, best. I'm going for the king crab pretty quick. I'm gonna have to go somewhere that it's bigger. And like those jumbo ones that people get, like, jealous. You know? I want that too. Oh, we're gonna get a little guy coming out of here. That's the last piece, basically. Oops. Gonna be clean and good after this. Starting to get a cold too. Annoying. Oh, those onions, yes. I lied. There's another piece. If I could open it. His little claw, look at it. Hello? Sesame? Open, please, Sesame. Alright, I guess I got this much meat out of it. Whatever. And a nice shell. Shell. Well, I'm pretty full. But trying king crab was really good. I'm gonna save this probably for my lunches or something. why not? Yeah, but thanks for coming. Like I said, if you have any type of food you want me to try for you or eat, let me know, comment below, and I'll see what I can do.